Vertical Toggle Clamps Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global vertical toggle clamps market size will expand at a CAGR of 6% from 2024 to 2031. North America vertical toggle clamps will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe vertical toggle clamps will grow at a CAGR of 4.5% from 2024 to 2031. Asia-Pacific vertical toggle clamps will grow at a CAGR of 8% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America vertical toggle clamps will grow at a CAGR of 5.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa vertical toggle clamps will grow at a CAGR of 5.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.